Hello coders, welcome to my video. So in this video, we'll see how to delete a node at a certain position within the linked list. Okay, so for example, if I have a linked list like these four nodes are there and it's a single linked list. So these are connected and all going for null. They have a value 5, 2, 1, 9. Okay, so here we have a head pointer. Okay, and I want to delete this node 1. So what I will do, I will take a pointer that will go from 0 1 to location. For example, 1 before this. For example, I have a temp pointer now pointing to this. Now to delete this, we have to remove this link. And for that, what I will do is I will point. First, I will take this a pointer, for example, x1 to this location. Okay, so though I have this pointer location, then what I will do, I will remove this link and I will point to this. So once it is done, I will remove this memory. Then this linked list will be 5, 2, and 9. So let's start with the coding. So for that, I need a function. So I'll take a function void delete at position. Okay. So what are the parameters to this? So it will be first is the head pointer and second is the position. Okay. So what I will do here, I will take a node star head here and the position on which I need to delete. So all teacher and I have to create a node for that first. So what I will do, a node star of head is equal to null. Then I'll take insert at beginning. This is already discussed. So add and the value of the node is 7. Second node, I will take four nodes I will take. Okay, so first one is 7, second is 4, 2, 8. Okay, and at the last, or I will do one thing. First, I will print it using the head pointer. Okay, then I will use this function for deleting a node. For example, for now, I'll take the position as 2 or 1 as well. So what is 1? 0 is this one. Sorry, this will be the insert at the beginning. So beginning will be uh, this one. So it will go from 8 to 4, 7. So that is the flow, and 7 is after this is null. Okay, so this is a start, so we should be extra cautious about this. And after that, I will print again to get the list with deleted node. Okay, so this will be the format for this. Now go to this function. For this, what I will do, I will take a node star of temp, give it head pointer, then I need to iterate. And so for I int I is equal to 0, I'll start from 0 and then I less than position minus 1 I plus plus. Okay, so this is how. So I will also take a check of temp. If temp is not equal to null, then only it will proceed and end this one. So if you want, you can put it inside this and inside this as well. Okay, to make it more readable. So then what I will do inside, I will temp is equal to temp points to next. Okay, so what it will do, it will take the head pointer in temp and then it will iterate over that. Okay, and once it got iterated and it will go to the position minus 1. So I told you it should be one position before that. Uh, that node that I need to delete. So what I will do here, I will take a node star of what I will do node, for example, node to delete is equal to what is that node that I want to delete? It should be temp points to next, the next to this temp because I am taking a position one before that value. Okay, so this is a node to delete. So I have a pointer now to secure that node. Then what I will do, I will take temp points to next is equal to either I can take temp points to next point to next because that link is still there, or what I will do, I will take node to delete points to next. Okay, you understand here? So for example, I have a list of this one. What is 8 points to 2 points to 4 points to 7 points to null, and I want to delete this, for example this, and my pointer will come here first. So here we have this temp after this diversing operation, and after that there is a 4 and I want to delete that. So what I will do, I will take this node because this I want to delete. So node to delete is temp points to next. So temp is here. So temp points to next is 4. 4 will be stored in this, and next operation temp is already this. Okay, so temp points to next, it should be this 7. So node delete points to next because node delete is at 4. So this points to next. So this will be deleted, and the next operation we have to free it as well, right? So we will free node to delete over here. So this way we can delete a node. So if I save it and I will run it, delete node and dot start delete at position dot c and delete node. Okay, so what we will see here, so I am deleting the first position. So I want to delete this too. So if you want to delete more, what I will do, I will delete every position. Now the now the original array is this one. So we will do the operation. So again, if I take one, what will be deleted? This one. Okay. So again, I have to print it to make it. Okay. So we'll just compile it again and I'll run it. So you see here, this 4 will be deleted from this series. Okay. So what if I have no node here and still want to delete it? So I'll comment out these, save it, and again I run it. So it did get nothing. Okay. So why it is like this? So we should have something that will show us that this thing is there. So what I will do here, I will create a check over here. So if star hat is equal to null, so we need to print f list is empty, and then we will return from here. So let's see if it works correctly or not. So two times we have two deleted pointers here, so we are getting two times list is empty. Let's see if I have only one node. So what I will do, I will take this 7 as a one node, nothing. Okay. So because there is no position over there and we have a head pointer, so it's not showing here. So for that, what I have to do is if temp is equal to null or temp points to next is equal to null. If these two conditions are satisfied, because the operation on the temp will be after that, so I have to print this position is out of bounds and I have to return from here. Okay, because we cannot free the null, so it will give me memory error. So what I will do, I'll save it and I will compile it again, run it. So you see position is out of bounds and position of, so every time it's showing me this without an error. Okay, without any corruption I had applied. So let's see in the next video. Thanks.